Some of the BI tools include data warehousing, online analytical processing, social media analytics, reporting, dashboards, querying, and data mining. Data warehouse plays vital role in business intelligence. Data warehouse is a container of historical data that is used for OLAP, that is online analytical processing. Social media analytics. Nowadays, social media is not only restricted for chatting purpose, that is also nowadays used for business sharing things. That is why analysis of social media is also plays vital role in BI. Reporting. Reporting is nothing but graphical representation of uh, quantitative data. Dashboards. Dashboards are used for representing multiple graphs together for analysis purpose. Querying. Querying is nothing but that is a structured query language which is required for retrieving the data and storing the data totally. During the manipulation time of data, we need to make use of querying and data mining. Data mining algorithms are required for extracting only interested data out of detailed data. BI applications. BI tools are required in almost all industries and functions to improve the industry's business and taking the business towards success. BI tools are playing very vital role in the industries. The nature of the information and the speed of action may be different across the businesses, but every manager today needs access to BI tools to have up-to-date metrics about business performance. Here are the some of areas of applications of BI and data mining. The domains are like this: retail, telephone, telecom, customer relationship management, healthcare and wellness, education, banking, financial services, insurance, manufacturing, public sectors. First, we'll consider retail domain. A retail domain is a kind of business where we need to take care about customers for getting the profit. That is why we need to analyze what are the shopping patterns of the customers and what are their needs and feelings that we need to understand. According to that, we need to make the business. It is like if customers are happy, then business is also becoming happy. These are the 4 points we can discuss about a retail business. Opti- Optimize inventory levels. Inventory levels we need to optimize properly. How much stock is required, that much only we need to fulfill. If we carry too much inventory, it imposes carrying cost, while carrying too little inventories can cause stockouts and lost sales opportunities. Therefore, forecasting of sales trends dynamically helps retailers to move inventory to where it is most in demand, and also it is becoming very good if a prediction is done to give the orders for suppliers in the real time. Next one is improve stock layouts and sales promotions. It is also very important. We need to predict the models. We have to develop the predictive models of the products often sold together. This knowledge of the affinities between products can help retailers co-locate those products. Alternately, those affinity products could be located further apart to make the customers walk the length and breadth of the store. Thus, they can be exposed to other products also. Promotional discount and okay, promotions can be done for the non-selling items so that we can do the rotation of the items also. Optimize logistics for seasonal effects. We need to look and estimate the seasonal products properly. If estimation not happens properly, then it becomes big loss for the business. That is why okay, it involves a risk of unsold inventories at the end of seasons. Understanding the products that are in season in which market can help retailers dynamically manage prices to ensure their inventories is sold during the season. If it is raining in certain areas, then inventory of umbrella and ponchos could be rapidly moved there from non-rainy areas to help increase the sales. Minimize losses due to limited shelf life. Okay, we need to think about unsold items also. Okay, by making the suitably discounted and promotions, we need to sell and clear the racks. If any dead items which are okay, there since from long duration in the shelf, okay, then we need to clear them by providing the discounts and promotions. Telecom domain. Another application of BI is telecom. It is very challenging domain. Here, okay, it is not only about one customer. Here, the challenge is to retain the old customer and getting the attention of newer customers also. As well as we need to think about network failure as well as fraud detection also. Churn management. This is a kind of management where we can better deal with the floating customers. Telecom customers have shown a tendency to switch their providers in search for better deals. Telecom companies tend to respond with many incentives and discounts to hold on to customers. However, they need to determine which customers are at real risk of switching and which others are just negotiating for a better deal. The level of risk should be factored into the kind of deals and discounts that should be given. Millions of such customers call happens every month. The telecom companies need to provide a consistent and data-based way to predict the risk of the customer switching and then make an operational decision in real time while the customer call is taking place. A decision tree or the neural network based system can be used to guide the customer service call operator to make the right decision for the company in a consistent manner. Marketing and product creation. Always that past data is required for analyzing the future fast. Therefore, telecom companies they store the call details of each and every customers. Depending on the need, they are going to provide better service for the customers. Some of customers they are interested in data usage. Some of customers require less cost calls and some of customers they need repeatedly messages. Therefore, depending on the need as well as usage of customers, telecom companies have to provide the business. Network failure management. It is another one uh, important thing to be considered. Network failure, okay, the track we need to keep and some of the techniques we need to apply for avoiding the technical failures or malicious attacks. Fraud management. There are many kind of frauds in the customer transaction may happen. Subscription fraud occurs when a customer opens an account with the intention of paying for the service. Superimposition fraud involves illegitimate activity. A person other than the legitimate account holder. The decision rules can be developed to analyze each call detail records in real time to identify changes of fraud and take effective actions.